Hey guys, so here's another thing I've been kind of hoarding to make a video about. It's one of these battery backups. Had it in the box. I was thinking of maybe changing the batteries because the batteries are dead on it. I was thinking maybe, you know, change the batteries or keep it or something, but I don't think it's worth it. I think the batteries are like expensive for this model. It wasn't worth it. I've done it with other models, but not really worth it for this one. So let's see what this looks like and see if you should scrap it or chuck it. Or I should say if you should scrap it whole or take it apart for more scrap value. So that paper stuff is not really worth anything. So this, other than scrap value, could be useful for personal use, fixing a plug, you know, splicing it up and everything, making a repair. It could be useful, or someone might even want to buy something like this on eBay. Never really checked. I've always thought about checking, but I haven't. But let's go with scrap value on this. So let's see. Let's open this battery backup plastic cover. So right away you see there's no battery. That probably would have had the most value in all of this. Unfortunately, there's none. Get a screwdriver here. There you go. Well, I don't think there's going to be much in here without the batteries. I know my scrapyard treats these batteries kind of like car batteries. So I would have gotten about, I forget what they give. I think a car battery is like 10 bucks. So probably would have gotten like $2-3 for the battery in here, a scrap value. But since it's not in there, I'm not going to get anything. So keep that in mind. Maybe your scrapyard also pays some decent money. So let's pull the plugs out there. Pull the plug out here. So plastic garbage. So we have this nice little, I guess, in scrapping would be a copper bearing motor. Some people might think it's useful to take this apart, get the copper. I've done that in the past.